Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can look tall in a video by increasing the height on your video only by using Capcut. So if you want to make yourself look tall in a video, you can just add it into Capcut. First, you can click on it like this, click on a timeline and find this retouch option. Choose body. Now you can choose to do it manually or automatically. Let's try the auto first. You can click on legs in here and you can see it will make yourself look taller. It will like stretch your leg like this. You can also adjust the waist or the body in here to make yourself look tall and slimmer. So that's how you can do it automatically. Let's try to do it manually. Let's reset it first. Click on manual. Here you can click on stretch. Choose the part that you want to stretch. I'm going to go with here and adjust it like this. You can swipe to the right. You can see now you'll look yourself will look taller after that. Click on the check icon. And that's it. This will be the result. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.